The concrete pour is complete and gorgeous. There's a certain smell to fresh concrete as it cures. Totally hard to the touch, but concrete gets most of its strength right away, but then it takes like a couple weeks to get the rest of the strength. So you can see this area. Let's see if we can get over here without falling in the mud. This is the shower pan. We recess all our shower pans so that we can get a zero threshold angle to it. So that's going to be the floor of the shower, and we'll build that back up with tile and mortar. But then over here you can see this is going to be the deck. So there's going to be a deck that goes, there'll be a door here, so you can come out one of the bedrooms, walk around the deck, sit under the big oak tree, and then the living room doors are going to be right here. And it's hard to see, but let's go over there. There's oops, that's not dry yet. It'd be fun to watch a video of me falling in the concrete. But you see here, see how this board is set into the concrete slab right here? That's because we want this door to have a zero threshold in and out. That way we don't have any tripping hazards. So what the contractors do is they lay in a 2x4, put it down, the concrete slab goes under it and right up to it, and then when it dries, they'll pop that out. But you can see this will be the deck. So we'll be sitting under here, under this great big oak that's super happy. I guess there's 2 oaks. And this will be the private deck for the ADU.